Maya and quantum physics. In this book, Secret of Bliss, I have explained Maya, Jagat, Prakriti are almost identical or synonymous. Maya means cosmic illusion. Ma means not, Ya means which. That which is not there is called Maya. Everything that we can perceive by our senses, seeing, hearing, tasting, touching, smelling, or thinking, is called Maya. Then what is reality? Reality is what is hidden behind all the senses and mind, the consciousness. That is reality. Everything else is cosmic illusion or Maya. Like in a rosary, all the beads are visible, but the thread that connects all the beads is invisible. So all the living creatures are beads of different size, shape, and colors, but the thread that ties everyone together, that is consciousness, and that is invisible. So invisible is consciousness, visible thing is Maya. Like on a screen, movie is projected. Screen is there all the time. When movie is projected, you get involved in the scenery. You laugh, cry, you get excited, all kind of emotions come. But when movie ends and light is turned on, you see only the screen. The movie disappears. So in ignorance, what we see is Maya. In darkness, one sees the movie. In the light, one sees only the screen. So screen is like supreme consciousness, and the scenery is Maya. Maya is like a dream. In a dream, everything is real. Even you are not into the places, your body is lying down, still you see, smell, taste, interact, feel different emotions. But when you wake up, dream is not real, you recognize it. Same way, the world we live in is also cosmic dream. When we wake up into supreme consciousness, then we realize that it is a dream. This dream is so common and we share with everyone else. So everyone is part of the dream, so we don't see as a dream, because our reference point is also in the dream. For example, Earth is rotating around the sun and it is rotating around its axis, but we don't see the turning of the earth because all the buildings, trees and everything surrounding us is also turning. To see the world turn, one has to go beyond gravity in the space. Quantum physics also says similar thing, that only consciousness exists. Entire universe is nothing but empty space. It is energy and vibration. Everything that looks visible, that looks solid, is actually vibrating energy. Our body looks solid, and for us it is solid and looks the same from year to year. But when you look at long term, 100 years ago and 100 years from now, there won't be any trace of it. Mountains and rivers look real, but millions of years ago, mountains and rivers did not exist, and they won't exist in another million years. But at microscopic scale, you can see in the smallest tissue of the skin, is vibrating. Even solid matters are vibrating. So mostly everything is empty space. Only thing real is supreme consciousness or unified field of consciousness. So the concept of Vedanta, Maya, cosmic illusion, is validated by scientific research so that everyone has to accept it, that nothing is real, nothing is substantial. In the scripture say, Brahman Satyam Jagat Mithya. Brahman is real, Jagat means world is Maya or illusion. Why illusion? Because it's anitya, impermanent. Everything that is constantly changing, it is not substantial. So illusion means it is not real for changing of time and space. From that standpoint is unreal, but it is relatively real. So the goal of life is to recognize that I am supreme consciousness and not to be attached to the world that is constantly changing. Also, our body is constantly changing, our mind, our emotions, everything is changing. Only constant thing is consciousness. The world exists because of consciousness. When we don't exist, the world also dissolves. Jai Bhagavan.